All right, you're gonna see something like this, and some students get this mixed up. They're like, all right, -4 and -11, and that would be great if this equaled 0. But it's not 0, it's -10. So what we gotta do, we gotta go back a little bit and do some FOIL action. We gotta change this back out of its
What was that? I didn't hear you.
tinfoil hat action. So it's we gotta go back, we gotta distribute, yeah, and then we gotta distribute, and then we'll make it equal 0, okay? So that'd be first distribution, h times h is h squared, h times 11 would be 11 h's. I'm using one color here, hopefully that's okay. Then 4 times h is positive 4 h's, 4 times 11 is positive 44. Now this does equal -10. Sorry about my handwriting, by the way. You could look to combine like terms at this point if you want. The 11 h's plus 4 h's is positive 15 h's. That's nice. So writing the rest of this, we got h squared plus 15h plus 44. So distribution, then combining like terms, which is what we did. Now we're going to use principles of equality to force this to equal 0. I'm going to make it 0 on the left because then I just got to zero out the -10. So I'm going to add 10 to both sides. This plus 10, I do have a like term on the right side this time to combine it with, though. -10 plus 10 rather is, well, 0 like we planned. Then this equals h squared plus 15h. And then I got 44 plus 10, which is positive 54. Oh, yeah, thank you. So the good news here is that I'm going to skip the factoring by grouping because the leading coefficient is 1. So yeah, we need the two factors here of 54, right? Since the leading coefficient is 1, we're going to split this up into two binomials with h. But we just need the two factors that add up to 15, right? Yeah, and it's, sorry, 9 and 6, right? And that's a positive 9 and a positive 6. Now remember, this still equals 0. So these equations are going to be great to solve. So like the h plus 9 right there, if it could equal 0 by itself, it would make the original equation true. So subtract 9 from both sides. H then would equal -9. Okay, so replace h with -9 up here at the top. -9 plus 4 is -5. -9 plus 11 is 2. -5 plus times 2 is -10. That checks off. Okay, so I'm going to box that in so I can put that behind me. And then we've got the other binomial, h plus 6. If we could get it to equal 0, it should give us a true statement. So subtract 6 from both sides and zeros that out. H then equals -6, right? Okay, so let's go back and check. If you replace h with -6, that'd be -2. This one would be +5. -2 times 5 is -10. That checks off as well. And we have our two answers.